Pizza! So I've watched a few attempts of cooking a pizza in a RidgeMonkey or similar toaster, most of them disastrous. Either the pizza base gets burnt black or the topping is fried within an inch of its life. So here's the best way to make pizza in your toasty maker when camping. You need to be able to turn the pizza over to prevent the base burning, but don't want to fry the topping solid. There is a logical solution. Use a thin pizza. I love Goodfella's Italian chicken, but supermarket own brand is good too. This one happens to be Goodfella's stone baked thin cheese and ham. For car camping, I'd cut this frozen, it's actually quite easy to do, and pop it into a container for my cool bag. This one didn't make it to the freezer, so it has already started to defrost, which is probably how I'd be cooking it from my cool bag anyway when camping. Cut 2 slices. Place one slice upside down on top of the other. This way you can turn the pizza over to prevent the base burning without frying your topping to a crisp. Six to 8 minutes depending on your stove. Turn every couple of minutes until golden brown on each side. You can use a bigger piece or 2 portions, but it will take a little bit longer, maybe 8 to 10 minutes. It's not the best presentation, but it is the best tasting pizza from a RidgeMonkey or toasty maker while camping. A crispy base and oozing saucy topping. Enjoy your pizza!